I will never look at lizards the same way after learning this. These tiny dragons live on the sizzling volcanic rocks of the Galápagos Islands. They're only about 6 inches long, but they're packed with superpowers. First up, color changing. Yep, like mini chameleons, they shift shades to blend in or show off. The males even turn bright colors to impress the ladies. Next, they do push-ups. Not for exercise, though. It's their way of saying, "This is my turf, back off." Talk about gym goals. Oh, and did you know they can lose their tails to escape predators? Don't worry, they grow back. It's like hitting the reset button. And here's the kicker. They eat bugs and sometimes even the occasional smaller lizard. That's some serious survival skills. So next time you think lizards are boring, remember these fiery little wonders. Lava lizards, small size, big attitude. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.